This 15-minute Tai Chi Walking workout helps relieve neck and shoulder pain, burn belly fat, and improve balance. Gentle, easy movements help you feel more relaxed, lighter, and stronger. Just follow along and enjoy every step. Exercise 1. Three, 2, 1, start. Extend one hand toward the opposite foot while the other arm reaches behind you. Keep your core engaged and your movements smooth. Next exercise. Three, 2, 1, begin. Stand up smoothly from the lowered position while opening your arms to each side. Keep your breathing steady and your body relaxed. Exercise 3. Three, 2, 1, let's begin. Bring your arms outward in a wide, gentle arc. Feel your chest open while keeping your elbows soft and your shoulders comfortable. Exercise 4. Three, 2, 1, join me. Lift your knee smoothly as both arms reach upward. Stay tall, find your balance, and let every movement flow without rushing. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Step forward with control and press both palms forward. Keep your posture upright and your weight centered throughout the movement. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Rotate gently to one side while your hands stay connected. Allow your chest to open naturally and keep your neck relaxed throughout the movement. Exercise 7. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Reach one arm overhead and gently lengthen toward the side. Avoid forcing the stretch and let your body move naturally. Exercise 8. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Slowly straighten your legs as your arms float down. Then open them softly behind your body. Keep your shoulders loose and move with calm, steady breathing. Exercise 9. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Lift your body gently as both arms travel upward in a wide circle. Stay relaxed and maintain an easy, flowing rhythm. Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Follow along. Raise one knee while opening your arms comfortably to each side. Focus on steady balance and calm breathing. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Begin. Turn your body gradually as one hand glides across the front. Let your hips and shoulders rotate together in one continuous motion. Exercise 12. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Walk forward with slow, comfortable steps while your arms move freely beside you. Stay relaxed and enjoy the natural rhythm of each step. Well done on completing today's Tai Chi walking session. Every step supports better posture, a stronger body, and lasting well-being. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep moving, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.